Welcome to Formatting ggplot2 Visualization Elements in R. This is Martin Berger for Pluralsight. In this beginner-level course, we are looking at the ggplot2 package and how plots are formatted. When you need publication-ready visualizations, there are always things that need some fine-tuning. A little axis readjustment here, some text formatting there. These things add up and influence the readability and appeal of a plot. Since ggplot2 has its own syntax, you essentially have to learn from scratch how a plot is formatted. A ggplot is structured totally different than a standard R-base plot or a lattice plot. In this course, I will show you how each element of a ggplot is modified. This includes titles, subtitles, labels, tick marks, background, grid systems, margins, and much more. In fact, you will see the available ggplot2 arguments and how they are used. There are even predefined plot themes to choose from. To fully benefit from this course, you should have some familiarity with RStudio and data visualization. I really hope you use this course to fine-tune your ggplots.